You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.